What if a four-cylinder hybrid sedan could destroy Italian performance legends? Sounds impossible, right? This is the 2026 Mercedes-AMG C63 SE Performance, a car that shocked the entire car world by ditching its legendary V8 and replacing it with something completely different. A turbocharged four-cylinder hybrid system pushing out over 670 horsepower. Yes, a four-cylinder. But here's the twist. It's faster, smarter, and more advanced than ever before. And it might actually outperform some of Italy's finest machines. So the real question is, can this hybrid AMG really crush Italian legends? Let's break it down. The Mercedes-AMG C63 has always been known for one thing, a brutal V8. But for 2026, everything changes. The new C63 SE Performance replaces that V8 with the Formula One-inspired hybrid powertrain. At first, fans were skeptical. No V8 sound, no raw AMG character? But AMG didn't just replace the engine, they reinvented performance. Powertrain, small engine, massive power. Under the hood, the 2026 C63 SE Performance features a 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, an electric motor mounted at the rear axle, and advanced battery technology inspired by Formula One. Combined output? Around 670 horsepower and 750-plus pound-feet of torque. Performance numbers 0 to 60 miles per hour, 3.3 seconds. Top speed 180 miles per hour. Drivetrain, performance all-wheel drive. This makes it one of the most powerful C-Class models ever built. And thanks to electric torque, acceleration is instant and brutal. At first glance, the 2026 C63 AMG still looks like a refined luxury sedan, but the details tell a different story. Wider body stands, aggressive AMG grille, larger air intakes, performance wheels. The design balances luxury and aggression perfectly. It doesn't scream like a supercar, but it definitely means business. This is where the car becomes truly special. The hybrid system is directly inspired by Formula One technology. Key features include electric turbocharger, which eliminates turbo lag, rear-mounted electric motor for better balance, advanced cooling system for performance driving, and energy recovery system similar to F1 cars. This isn't just electrification for efficiency, it's electrification for maximum performance. Inside, the C63 SE Performance blends luxury with advanced tech. Fully digital instrument cluster, large infotainment display, AMG performance steering wheel, premium leather and carbon fiber trim. Ambient lighting and driver-focused controls create a modern performance cockpit. It feels high-tech, fast, and premium all at once. Now let's talk about the big claim. Italian performance cars from brands like Ferrari and Lamborghini are known for passion, sound, and raw performance. But the AMG takes a different approach. Instead of relying on emotion alone, it uses advanced hybrid tech, instant electric torque, all-wheel drive grip, and precision engineering. In a straight line, it's shockingly fast. In real-world driving, it's more usable and consistent. And in technology, it's ahead of many traditional supercars. The 2026 Mercedes-AMG C63 SE Performance is one of the boldest performance cars ever created. It abandons tradition and embraces the future. With its 670 horsepower hybrid system, Formula One-inspired technology, and everyday usability, it proves that performance doesn't have to come from a big V8. Will everyone love it? Probably not. But will it perform? Absolutely. And that's what makes this car so important. So what do you think? Is the hybrid C63 the future of AMG, or should they have kept the V8? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you want more performance cars, super sedan battles, and future automotive tech, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon, because the future of performance is already here.